So I have a data set that has 1.5 million rows or records. This is contained in a table that is in my new projects database. So from here, I've configured my Python so that I am able to do a few summarizations. I can split the columns, find duplicates. But today we're just focusing on getting a summary. So from here, considering I got 1.5 million records, I could do this in any other tool, but I've decided to use this through Python, through tkinter. So we're just gonna keep it simple for now and concentrate on the count. So I'll look at the country, then I'll look at item type. So now this particular data field that I'm using is available on the internet. You can download it as a CSV. It will have your 1.5 million records that you can then play around with. So once I've selected my columns, if I click on execute, I'm going to get my different countries. This is how the countries are distributed. I could then add maybe sales channel to my column group or category so that I can further see how this is actually distributed. Let me just cancel this, execute. So I'll then see who's offline and who's online, the distribution that is there, how are they distributed throughout up to the end as far as Zimbabwe. Um, Looking at that, I see I have a region. I could probably also want to see a region and how it goes. So I'm going to cancel this so that we keep our results screen clean, and then click on execute. So my region now has Asia, Australia, Oceania. I can basically see all the different statistics that have to the summarization for online, for offline, for each country, but also having added the region that also exists. So I could keep going where I decide maybe I also want to see the order priority for the particular data that is there. I then start to see my order priority. This is my order priority for the particular data for Asia, for those that are offline. So how you do your summarization is basically up to you, also depending on how deep you want to go with your data.